We have the man of the moment, the newest member of the APC in the entire country.
Yeah.
Alhaji Abubakar Atiku Abubakar, popularly known as Abba. Let me begin by saying congratulations to Abubakar Atiku Abubakar, a member of the Husky organization, for the campaign from the PDP today to register with the APC. This is a very, very wise decision. You've taken a bold and wise decision. And I congratulate all of you, particularly the convener of that organization, or that defunct organization, which is now Husky Bola Tinubu organization. You've taken a bold step, and I congratulate you for that. What you have done is based on the politics of ideology. But let me just give you the background of how all this thing happened. He is saying his residence in the United States of America, but he was following what is happening. He has been following what is happening here in Nigeria. And he was able to see what we are doing in supporting the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in terms of his policy implementation, in terms of reaching out to the public, enlightening them about what is being done to reshape this country. He has been looking at us. So he decided, after watching, after studying what we've been doing, he decided that he would come back to this country to join us in order to move on with the work we are doing in respect to the program of Mr. President, the Renew Hope agenda that is geared towards bringing prosperity to our nation. He saw what we are doing and said, look, I need to be part of this team. He came in, told me everything. In fact, we spent time, and he again made, suggested, asked questions and made suggestions on how, from day one, on how to improve on what we are doing, because of his zeal and his will to participate and bring his own contribution and the contribution of Husky organization to the team what we are doing towards bringing prosperity to our nation. He's a young man, but I want to say he's somebody that is really focused in reshaping the future of our country. And these are the kind of youths that we want. Those who have the determination, those who have the love for our country in their hearts. So I'm not only happy that he's coming to our party, but I'm happy that we're having someone who has this country in his heart, someone who wants to make his own, bring in his contribution towards bringing prosperity to our nation. You are a comrade. Your senior brother is a comrade, and you are also a comrade. Yes. By virtue of your determination, by virtue of your inclination to help in bringing prosperity to our nation. So we are going to work with you. We are going to work with you. And what I'm so much happy about him is that he wants to chart his own course. He doesn't want to rely on his father. He stands on what he believes in. He believes in Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He believes on what Bola Ahmed Tinubu is doing for our nation. He believes in his ideology. He believes in his principles. He believes in the renewed hope agenda. So, you will not falter by the grace of God.
Sure.
And based on your determination to help this country, and based on your determination to help this country, to help Mr. President to go for his second term and win his second term, inshallah, you are also going to be great in this country by the grace of God.
This goes to show that this is what we call politics without borders. It will surprise you that the initiator of this move is not somebody from Adamawa State. But Adamawa State is also a second home for Senator Barao Jibril, if you have to know. He has a very serious relationship with people from Adamawa State, and he's a nationalist. That goes to show that don't be surprised tomorrow you'll be receiving somebody big from Enugu, and you'll be here. So this shows you how nationalistic he is and how he upheld the principle of one Nigeria, and this is what is going to take us forward. Let me come back to the APC. On behalf of the APC National Chairman, Professor Edward Goshe, and the National Working Committee, we welcome you into the APC. And I want to categorically state that APC is a progressive party. Because we are progressives, we have some features that are distinct from any other party. One of which is that once you join APC and you are registered and you become a paying member, financial member of APC, the status and privileges ascribed to a founding member also ascribed to you. We don't waste our time with shenanigans of waivers, restrictions for members that come in today or yesterday. That's why we are progressives. And what brought you to APC will make you be a long-lasting member of APC. Because what brought you to APC is you don't come to APC because you are seeking power. You come to APC because you appreciate the policies and programs of the Mr. President, which align with the manifesto of APC. So political coalition or political relationship that is based on policy, that is policy seeking, lasts longer. Or any political coalition that is power-based, once you come and you do not get the power, you leave.
I'm here today with my coordinators from the organization that I founded back in 2022, I believe. We started this organization in 2022 to be able to work for His Excellency, my father, Atiku. Just forgive me if I'm a bit nervous, you know. I think I'm a bit excited to be here with all of you. This is a very key time in the history of our country, where you have incredible leaders like His Excellency, Senator Barao Jibril here. I'm not one to, you know, load over a lot of things we've done in the past, but we've done a lot of good work. We've done a lot of good work in various communities. Now, as it is now, we are not here to move on about too much of that. You know, this is a very important moment, and it's one that I'm going to, let me just. So today I'm formally here to announce my exit from my former party, where we worked in 2023, and to the APC. With this development, I will work with His Excellency, Senator Barao, to actualize the second term bid of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And also, to this effect, I am ushering and directing all coordinators from our association to join the APC and work with President Tinubu. Thank you.